23 ABC's meteorologist Brandon Michaels is tracking the forecast for us right now, especially looking at those winds.
Yeah, the winds are going to bring that higher fire danger. That's really the big story as we head through this week here. We're going to see a very similar setup to what we saw last week. This big area of low pressure sitting off to our east, a big ridge of high pressure off to our north. We're kind of wedged in between those two systems, and that's going to result in some strong and dry winds coming off of the desert and into Kern County. So not good news when it comes to fire danger, and definitely going to be some travel impacts as well. Let's break down the wind forecast. Already by tomorrow at 6 p.m. starting to see those winds pick up. Not so much in the desert or in the valley, but we are going to see those stronger winds in the mountains. You can see those really picking up as we head into the night, making it into the valley eventually late into the day, into the night on Wednesday and into early Thursday. That's when we have the potential for places like Arvin and Bakersfield to even get a little bit breezy. We're looking at the peak wind gusts, especially through the passes like the Grapevine, actually up to about 50 miles per hour. So very, very windy, still pretty breezy through the day on Thursday. So it's going to be staying with us for quite some time. Wind advisory is in effect starting at midnight on Thursday. So late Wednesday night going through the day on Thursday. That is going to be in effect for our mountain communities. We also have a fire weather watch. So that very dry wind bringing critical fire weather conditions, or at least the potential for them. So high fire danger with these winds. That's why those public safety power shutoffs are in effect. As far as the weather for tomorrow, though, not too bad. 65 in Bakersfield, 65 in McFarland as well. Temperatures actually running a little bit warmer with these slightly breezier conditions. As we head into tomorrow, no burning for all. Not surprising with those winds picking up. Unhealthy air quality for sensitive groups. So the air quality is going to be an issue for tomorrow as well. So kind of a busy couple of days in the forecast here. For us here in the valley, breeziest conditions are going to come Thursday. That down sloping wind, though, definitely warming us up to about 70 degrees for our high temperature on Thursday. And then we calm down and kind of get back to normal through the end of the forecast. We're looking at temperatures running fairly close to average, just a little on the warm side, mid to lower 60s with some cooler temperatures overnight. In fact, some of the rural communities in the valley could actually see a little bit frost overnight tonight. As far as your winds for the mountain communities, they're going to stay stronger for the next couple of days. That's why we have those wind advisories and the fire weather watch in effect. And then we get into calmer weather towards the end of the forecast. By the weekend, the winds are less of a concern, and definitely into next week. Also dry for the next several days. That's not helping that fire weather situation. So we're going to watch those conditions very, very closely over the next couple of days.
Absolutely, and we'll be keeping an eye on those PSPSs as well.